Neither recover your deleted media files from your WhatsApp cell phone? If yes, then this method is for you. With this method, you will be able to recover any type of document such as Word, Excel, Point, Publisher, PDF, Notes, also photo, video, audio, etc. In this video, I show you the steps of recovery. I also share more methods in the description and in the first comment of this video, including the page of our free and paid consulting. Let's
Comencemos.
start. To begin with, we have to go to Play Store and look for the application
called Recover Deleted File from HK Blue Whale. Download it and open it. As you can see, to recover files with this application, it is not necessary to root the cell phone, something that many people fear. Another great thing about this application is that it recovers files from both the external and internal memory. And if you are wondering in which cases it works, well, let me tell you that it works to recover files after you have accidentally deleted or formatted your cell phone or the memories you have built into your cell phone. Well, here, the application is already installed and we open it. We click on Open. Here it says Recycle File. Here it asks for this permission, access to all files. So we give you access to all files. We return.
Here we close this window. We close it and well, here is the interface of the application. Here it says Photo, scan photos, Video, to scan video. Here other options of this application appear to us, and if here we want, for example, to recover photos, we click where it says Photo. Well, you can see that with just one click the application is already recovering a lot of files. While it is recovering, it is also showing here in the background, as you can see. And to restore a photo, for example, we just select the photo and it gives us the option to restore, just like that, in a quick and easy way. Here we also have the option, for example, to back up an application and at the same time restore the backup copy of that application. We are back, and well, here, as you can see, this application has a lot of options. It works in a very fast and easy way, and it is totally free. I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my blog, and other social media pages where we teach various methods of recovering chats files and any type of data on any device, cell phone, computer, tablet, external memory, and so on. We also have our own recovery forum platform where you can receive comprehensive help. All links in the description and first comment of this video by Technology Rob 1 Roberto Ben.